Okay, everybody, we are going to get ready to play Katie's dog, Tucker. Now, what I want you to do is get your all 10 of your fingers ready, and let's review those numbers. Your thumbs are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Now this song starts with your right hand. So raise your right hand and wiggle those fingers. And again, remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now you're gonna focus on finger 1. You're gonna fly it down and land on C on the piano. And then you're gonna spread out every single finger so that each finger has its own note. Very good. Now the left hand, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Let's go through those finger numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this time you're gonna take finger 5, which is your pinky, and you're gonna put that on C. Very good. And then you're gonna spread out all of your fingers. Very good. So each finger has its own note. We're gonna start the song with your right hand, okay? So give that a little wave, hello, very good. And then we're gonna start, here we go. C, 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 good. D, 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 keep looking ahead. E, D, C, D, E, F, G. Other hand, ready? G, G, G. Good job. F, 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 E, F, G, F, E, D, C. Good. Back to the right hand. C, 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 D, D, D. Great. E, D, C, D, E, F, G. Back to the left hand thumb. G, G, G. Awesome. F, 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 E, F, G, F, E, D, C. Well done. Very good. Amazing. Give yourself a round of applause or a pat on the back or a thumbs up. Well done.